Bonjour à tous, nous sommes aujourd'hui le mercredi 17 mai et nous avons à nos côtés Madame Chaoui qui a participé à l'initiative qui a donné ce magazine-ci. Donc nous allons déjà lui demander un peu en quoi consiste ce magazine, etc. Bonjour Madame Chaoui.
Bonjour Maëva.
Alors expliquez-nous un peu de quoi parle ce magazine, pourquoi l'avez-vous fait?
D'accord, très bien. Donc ce magazine est le fruit du travail de nos élèves des classes de 3e. Nous avons décidé, entre l'équipe des professeurs d'anglais des 3e, de faire en fait un projet fait, réalisé, préparé entièrement et complètement par les élèves. L'idée est venue déjà dans le programme de 3e, nous avons une séquence dédiée au sujet du bullying, ce qui est l'harcèlement à l'école. C'est un projet ou un sujet qui nous touche à tous, en tant qu'élèves, que professeurs, qu'adultes même, que parents. On a trouvé que c'est un sujet intéressant qui touche tout le monde. Donc on a voulu sortir avec quelque chose qui soit concret, un travail qui restera et que les élèves pourront garder entre leurs mains et le consulter quand ils veulent.
Donc, avec quel professeur avez-vous décidé de faire ça?
Donc notre équipe, c'était Madame Gaillette, Madame Wins, Madame Guinard et moi-même.
D'accord. Alors, rapidement comme ça, qu'est-ce qu'on peut retrouver? Quel contenu peut-on retrouver? D'accord.
Le contenu est assez diversifié parce qu'il y a des œuvres d'art qui ont été réalisées par les élèves. Si on peut voir ici, il y a ce qu'on appelle en anglais le word cloud, c'est des mots du vocabulaire qui sont mis ou disposés de façon à faire un design ou une certaine forme. Donc il y a des élèves qui ont travaillé sur ça. Il y a un article sur les célébrités qui ont été harcelées à l'école, c'est un article assez intéressant. On a eu aussi l'article qui parle des témoignages de nos élèves ici au lycée français. Et c'est un article qui a touché beaucoup d'élèves. Nous pouvons aussi voir les slams, qui sont des petits poèmes écrits par les élèves aussi. Un article qu'on a voulu appeler le bien-être, donc well-being. Et c'est un article qui parle de comment se sentir si on est harcelé et pourquoi il ne faut pas vraiment écouter ou faire attention au bullying. Pour finir, on a des jeux, bien sûr. Je crois que c'est la partie la plus intéressante pour nos élèves. Et on a une petite bande dessinée qui est complètement faite par les élèves, dessinée et tout. Ça a demandé beaucoup de travail, mais le résultat est très bon.
Effectivement, il est très très beau. Comment avez-vous trouvé les élèves dans ce projet?
Alors, très motivés. Très motivés. Dès que nous avons lancé le projet, qu'on en a parlé, ils étaient tous vraiment très contents. Ils se sont tous tout de suite mis au travail. Ils ont commencé à réfléchir, qu'est-ce qu'on va mettre, quel article, qu'est-ce qui pourrait être intéressant, qu'est-ce qui est facile à réaliser. Et après, ils se sont vraiment investis. Nous avons été très, très fiers de tous ceux qui ont participé à ce magazine.
D'accord, merci beaucoup. Donc maintenant, on va regarder les interviews de quelques élèves qui ont participé à la construction de ce magazine. Okay. So, Mrs. Wins, can you tell me about this magazine?
Yes. Some of the English teachers decided to work on the topic of bullying, which is a very serious issue, as we all know. And each teacher decided to work with her class on a particular aspect of bullying. And then rather than having all the works displayed in the school, we wanted to make sure that it would be seen by all the students, or the majority of students. So it was decided to put them all in a magazine, which is what you have here. With my class, 3e 4, we decided to concentrate on celebrities. Mm-hmm. And we have Leila and Zaina with us today, who were some of the students involved in this project.
Okay, hi girls. So,
hello.
Can you tell me what did you do exactly on the magazine?
So we did a segment about the celebrities, and basically that one. And basically it was like we did it so we could show that bullying is an issue that could affect anyone. Mm-hmm. Like even celebrities who most people think have a perfect life, like a lot of them were bullied as young people at school and stuff.
And what we found out is actually bullying, it targets weak people and such. But all the celebrities said that once they became famous, actually all the bullying went away. But yeah, it was actually like we had really good teamwork while doing it. Like each one got a celebrity and they just wrote their article, and then me and Layla, we wrote the introduction.
And you did the editing as well. You
Yeah.
read all the text.
We proofread all of it, and then we just submitted it, and it turned out actually really nice. And it's very colorful, and it makes you want to read it.
And the students, I studied the magazine with most of my students, and they really enjoyed the section on the celebrities. And they learned things, you know, and they thought,
Yes.
well, we didn't know this. So I think it was really a very interesting contribution.
I think when you're like in school and you learn things about someone that you admire or look up to, the work just becomes more interesting and you're more into it and you want to do even more things and explore.
Yeah, because most of these celebrities, we see them as like strong role models. So to know that they dealt with something that bad when they were little,
Yeah.
I think it gives me people hope, like for the future. That just because they were affected by it now doesn't mean they can't like have a good future and be strong people.
That's right.
It's a really good initiative, and I guess you're really proud of this magazine and
Yeah.
your work.
Yes, and I'm proud of my students. So.
Great. You should. Okay, thank you for being here.
Thank you.
for answering.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
Okay, so now I'm going to ask the three girls to present themselves before talking about this magazine, so go ahead.
I'm Nathalie Noël.
I'm Farida Sheikh.
And I'm Joanna Nihed, and we're in troisième.
Okay, so girls, for example, Natalie, what did you do in this magazine?
I did with my group the 13 Reasons Why. We were 7 persons on this paper, and each one of us wrote 2 reasons, and then we wrote them down.
Reasons of
Like
what?
13 reasons why you shouldn't care about buddies.
Okay.
Like
Well.
uplifting notes.
Okay. How long did it take?
It took us like 1 hour and a half.
Okay. Okay. And you? What did you
I
do?
did the testimonies. It's called The Ugly Truth because, we show that it has influenced The Ugly Truth because it shows the dark side of bullying. We're a group of 5. Each one of us approached to students and asked them if they've been through if they've been bullied before, and or did they bully someone before, and it wasn't easy at first. They didn't really want to tell us, but then we told them that they don't have to be worried. We're not going to tell anyone, and they trusted us, so they told us.
Okay, so your group went to ask people at the school
Yes.
if they were bullied, and they answered. So all those
People are from the school, yes.
Okay, so how long did it take?
It took 2-3 days.
Okay, and it's exactly what they say.
Yes,
you wrote it,
they said that it's exactly what they said.
Okay.
Okay, the story is about, we did a comic book about Red. It's a video we watched in class. Red is a boy, he's a little boy who has red hair, who's getting bullied because he has red hair. And that's it. And then we wrote 3 articles about them, about the bully, the bystander who saved the one that's getting bullied, and Red.
So you draw the persons and what they said, and you imagine what they said?
Yeah, something. I mean, we all drew something.
Yeah.
Each of us drew something, and then and then two of us wrote the dialogue.
Okay. And how long did it take?
1 week.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, girls.
Thank you.